This is Marcel Brown, the most trusted name in technology, with your technology history for March 29th. March 29, 1974. Mariner 10 becomes the first spacecraft to fly by the planet Mercury. At a range of 437 miles, Mariner 10 was able to send back the first close-up images of Mercury, indicating a moon-like surface of craters and ridges. Until Mariner ran out of fuel and contact terminated about 1 year later, it made 2 more flybys of Mercury, returning over 2,700 pictures of the innermost planet in our solar system. Mariner 10 was also famous for many other firsts. The first spacecraft to use the gravity of one planet, Venus, to reach another, Mercury. The first spacecraft to return data on a long-period comet, Kohoutek. The first mission to explore 2 planets, Mercury and Venus, during a single mission. The first spacecraft to use a gravity assist to change its flight path. The first spacecraft to return to its target after an initial encounter. And the first probe to use the solar wind as a major means of spacecraft orientation during flight. March 29, 1983. Radio Shack introduces the TRS-80 Model 100, one of the first portable computers in a notebook-style form factor. The portability, simplicity, and built-in modem of the Model 100 made it very popular with journalists who could write stories in the field and transmit them back to their offices. Incidentally, in the early 90s, I acquired a Model 100 that had been used by a newspaper. I was able to use it to code simple programs, write papers, and use the modem to connect to bulletin board systems of the time. I actually still have 2 of these models among my tech junk, and they're still in good working order. That's your technology history for today. For more, tune in tomorrow and visit my website, thisdayintechhistory.com.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.